So this is a pagoda.
Yeah.
And the traffic here is crazy.
Pagoda.
And that's where I'm going, to the Vietnamese Mall. Xin chào. What district is this? District 1, District 2? De La Hueneo.
10.
10?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this 10.
Ah, okay, come on. Okay. All right, this is District 10. Let's check it out. We're gonna check out the mall. It's just way too hot outside, so a lot of Vietnamese people, they're gonna spend their day, if they're not at work, at the mall. As you can see, there's some beautiful Vietnamese people in the mall, and it's a nice place to get your shopping done or meet some shorties. And if you're feeling a little down and you need a pick-me-up, you can grab yourself an upper at Phuc Long. Phuc Long Coffee. Alright, I met a real Vietnamese girl.
Yeah.
Her name is Ray. And Ray, do you have a message for all of the people watching this video?
Oh, shy. Okay.
She's shy. Hello. Here's a question. How do Vietnamese men usually meet Vietnamese women? What's the most normal way for a Vietnamese girl to meet, or for a man to meet a Vietnamese girl in Ho Chi Minh?
How do I know?
No men ever, do people usually go to the bar, or do they use like online dating, or do they just talk in the mall?
Okay. In my case, I met my man in like a college, and that's it.
In college?
Yeah.
So you were like studying in the library, and he came up and he dropped his pen?
No, we just like, okay, we met in college and we have the same class. So it's like, no, when we graduated. So I have friends, like a friends group. Yeah, so they like they asked him to go outside. Yeah, and it's half me too, and him too. So like,
You asked him to go outside?
no, it's my friends. I didn't talk to him before.
That's cute.
Thank you. Bye.
So it looks like we have a whole bunch of artists here doing art stuff. Oh, you're an architect. So I'm not sure if this is the best that District 10 has to offer, but we have a really busy street, and you can see there's plenty of traffic to look at. Yeah. If you like looking at traffic, District 10 is the place to be. Massage places everywhere. It's not even rush hour yet. So District 10 looks a lot like some of the areas of Bangkok I've seen, and basically you've got a lot of hotels, food places. You can get some cheap pale, Ben Sin Nat. We got cheese. If you need some cheese, of course, pho, otherwise known as pho. Dental clinics, there's a coffee place. Let's get off this main street and check out some of the side streets. Crossing the street is always an adventure. Let's do this. Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me. Woo! So down here we have lots of beauty salons. More beauty salons. Restaurants. We're in real Vietnam now. I haven't seen a single foreigner in an hour at least. Oh, looks like I found a tennis club. Vietnamese people can play tennis? I thought they only played Chinese checkers. Cool. Sing Chao. I'm in the high society now, at the tennis club. Alright, look at this. Black Kingdom. Live in your world. Play in ours. I think I found a gaming cafe. Let's go take a look. Let's go look at the nerds. I used to game a lot, but then I realized if I took all that time I spent playing video games and used it to write novels and create YouTube videos and talk to hot girls, I could have a much more interesting life. So I love video games. I love video games. Xin chào. Hello.
Xin chào.
What is this place?
It's like internet cafe.
Internet cafe.
Yes.
For people with gaming addiction.
Yes.
Yes. What is the most popular game?
A league. You know league.
League of Legends.
Yes.
Not Dota.
No, no.
Oh,
We
okay.
prefer playing league.
Why
more
is
than
in Vietnam is League #1?
Yes. No, no. We just prefer playing league more than Dota.
Ah, I see.
Yeah.
You mean in this cafe?
Yes.
And do you play Maple Story?
What?
You play Maple Story?
No, I'm playing FIFA. I'm playing FIFA.
I actually thought that Ho Chi Minh had no green space, but here we have some really interesting looking trees. Because I know you guys are really interested in trees. Not! Look at this guy, #1 security guard in Ho Chi Minh. I don't know where I am, but it's pretty cool. Look at these beer gardens. They probably end up rocking at night. And I'm just gonna poke my camera in here. It's getting close to rush hour here. And just check out this area. There's all these really nice restaurants here in District 10. Like, you never know what you're gonna find when you just go walking in random neighborhoods of various cities. It's my favorite thing to do. Everywhere in Ho Chi Minh City, you're gonna find these little cafes where men and women sit around and hang out, look at their phones, play games, drink coffee and tea. Oh, there was a bike accident. This guy or lady just bailed on her motorcycle. Oh, I hope she's okay. Man, I've never seen a local crash like that. She's limping. She's okay. She's okay, man. She did a power slide across the cement here. But at least she's not hurt. These alleyways, man, they're really slick with oil from all these restaurants. They dump their oil and it just makes the road really slippery. In my travels, I see all these tourists who rent motorcycles and they don't wear helmets and they drive around with their shirts off and flip-flops. I mean, you might feel safe on one of these bikes, but they're really dangerous if you don't know what you're doing, and you should always wear a helmet because you only have one brain. Hello. You can crack that thing open like a watermelon. Your skull isn't that hard, not as hard as the cement, so wear a helmet. Don't be a moron. Check out these guys working hard. Sing Chao. Sing Chao. Working hard. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Working hard to fix these bikes. This is this guy's shop here, Bin Tam. Number one repair shop in Vietnam. That's the brakes, huh? I love how shy the Vietnamese are when I start filming them, but most of them love it. They're like, holy shit, that's Tony Travels! Quick, fix the bike! Whoa, look at this, huh? We got chicken's feet, oysters, mussels, crab. Yum, 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 yum. Someone's getting a treat tonight. When Daddy gets home, we're having some clams. See, if you're a random white girl and you're looking to get some extensions or some hair dye, District 10 has you covered. Durian. Oh, hello. Hello, doggy. Never a dull moment in Vietnam. Whoa. The bird. What is this? Oh, fish. Dried fish, huh? Hello. What is it? Fish. Looks delicious. She's oh, this is like the inside, right? This
So
is
yummy.
That's this part here, the stomach.
Oh, okay.
Is that the stomach? Here?
Yes.
I'm scared.
No, not scared.
It's delicious?
So yummy. Yes.
Okay, I'll try.
You want to try?
Just a little bit. Thank you. All right, let's try it. Let's try this new Vietnamese food. Oh, oh, man, it's really good.
Yes.
It's sweet. It's like a very sweet, like sugar.
Yes. Vietnamese food so good.
Yes.
Yes.
This is your shop. Your shop. You live here?
Home.
Your home.
Yes.
What is the name of your restaurant?
Oh no, not restaurant.
Oh,
Food on the street.
street food.
Yes.
Wow. Bong bong go. Okay, come on. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. So the people, they finish their first job and they come out here and they set up their shop and they sell their street food. That's their second job. So now I'm leaving District 10 and I'm entering District 3. Yeah, everything here is a little bit more spacious. There's more room, more people with expensive laptops, Macintosh. Fancy places. But everywhere you go, you're gonna find Grab drivers waiting to take you wherever you need to go. I'm still in Vietnam, but it feels a little bit like I'm in Singapore. Good dog. It's so cute. sign off, but before I do, I want to show you how insane it gets here at rush hour.